If your vehicle breaks down during a driving test, the test is typically deferred and you will have to undergo a full retest at a later date. If the breakdown is purely a mechanical failure outside of your control, and the breakdown happens during your test, the test will be postponed. It is your responsibility to ensure the vehicle you use for the test is in good working order and roadworthy to avoid such situations. However, if the vehicle is considered unroadworthy at the start of the test or due to a failure the examiner deems an avoidable collision, this will result in an immediate failure. While doing your test and the vehicle breaks down, the examiner will assess the situation. For instance, if a vehicle rolls back on an incline because the handbrake isn't holding it properly, the vehicle is considered unroadworthy and the applicant fails immediately. If the breakdown is a genuine, unforeseen mechanical failure and you have not committed any immediate failure offences, such as a traffic law violation, an uncontrolled action, or an avoidable collision, the test will be stopped and marked as deferred. And the test will be postponed. The reason is recorded under General Remarks. To avoid this situation, it is critical to ensure your vehicle is in excellent working order before the test. This includes checking brakes, foot brake and handbrake, tires, pressure, tread depth and condition, all lights and indicators, fluid levels, oil, water, brake fluid, seatbelts and door functionality. The vehicle must be considered roadworthy by the examiner to even begin or continue the test.